Welcome students. Today we will continue with our practice set 14. In last video we have finished till the question number 3. Today we will start with the question number 4. Now just read the question here. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives remainder of 5 every time. Okay, here you have to find the smallest number, okay, by which means the number you can divide by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20, the remainder will be 5. Okay, all of you understood this question? So let's start. For such type of question you have to find the LCM of the given number. Okay, that is 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. You have to find the LCM. Okay, then first let's start with this. This is the question number 4. Then see here 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. Okay, you have to find the LCM. Okay, so first we will start with the smallest number, that is the 2. Then we will divide it by 2. Then 2 4s are 8. Again 9 can't be divided by 2. Then we will write it as it is. Now 10 is divided by 2. Then we will get here 5. 15 is an odd number, can't be divided by 2. Then we will write it as it is. Now 20 is divided by 2. Then we will get here 10. Now again see here we will divide it by 2. Then 2 2s are 4. 9 is an odd number, can't be divided by 2. Then we will write it as it is. Again 5 and 15 again are the odd number. Then we will write it as it is. Now 10 is an even number. Then 2 5s are 10. Now again here it is 2. It is an even number. Then we will divide it by 2. Then 2 1s are 2 and remaining all numbers are odd. Then we will write it as it is. Here 5, 15 and 5. Okay. Now see, we will take the next number. The next prime number, that is 3. Now this one will comes down as it is. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3 3s are 9. 5 can't be divided by 3. Then we will write it as it is. Now 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 15, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. And 5 can't be divided by 3. Then we will write it as it is. Again we will start with 3. We will write 1 as it is. 3 divided by 3. Then 3 1s are 3. We will write here. Now the next prime number is 5. Okay, we will write 1 as it is. Then 5 1s are 5. Again 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Now see here at the end you are getting 1 1 1. Okay, that means here the process is stop here. Now the LCM of these numbers are multiplication of the number the left side. Then here we will write LCM. LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We will multiply this number. After multiplication we will get here 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Okay, see, and 5 3s are 15. 24 multiplied by 15. Then here we will get 360. Okay, now this is the LCM of these numbers. Okay, now in the next step what we will do, we have to add the remainder. Means here it is given as the remainder is 5. Okay, then we have to add this remainder to this 360, so that we will get this smallest number. Okay, so let's start. Here we will write, therefore the required smallest number is equals to 360 plus 5, that is equals to 365. Clear? I hope this question is clear to you. If you want to check, then you can check from here also. See, if you divide 365 by 8, okay, this you don't have to do. Just for explaining, I am showing you this. See here, that is in rough column I am doing. This is a rough work. See here, 365 divided by the first number is 8. Okay, then how we will divide? That is 8 4s are 32. Here remainder is 4, 45. Now 8 5s are 40. Now see here, the remainder is 5. Okay, now take the next number, that is 9. Divide 365 by 9. Then 9 4s are 36. Now 5 is remaining, we will take it down. Okay, now 9 zeros are 0. Here see here, the remainder again is 5. Similarly, if you check for 10, 15 and 20, you will get the remainder 5. Okay, now we will move to the next sum. Now see here, the next sum is reduce the fraction. 348, here the fractions are given to the lowest term. This is similar as the sums you did in the practice set 12. Okay, now see, but in that sum you have to find the HCF. Okay, here you have to reduce, means for first you have to find the HCF of this. Okay, so see the fifth one, the fractions are 348 and 390. 348 upon 390. Okay, so as I explained you earlier, you have to divide the bigger number by the smallest number. Okay, this is a division method of finding the HCF. 348. Now 319 ones are 390. After subtracting, what you will get? 18 minus 9 will be 9. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 29 you will get. Now 29 will remain as 18 and 319 will become dividend. Because this is your divisor and this is your dividend. Now 29 ones are 29. 31 minus 29 is 2. 29. Then 29 ones are 29. Here you are getting remainder 0. Okay, that means 29 is your HCF. Okay, therefore the HCF is 29. Now we will write the factors of this, that is 348 upon 319 is equals to 29 12s are 348 and factors of 319 is 29 11s are. Okay, now 29 and 29 will get cancelled and your answer is 12 upon 11. Okay, now similarly you have to solve the remaining two sums from your practice set 14. Now we will move to the next one, that is question number 6. The LCM and SCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If the one number is 216, what is the other? Okay, for this, see here, the one formula is there, that is the product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. In last video also I explained you. Then you have to apply that See what is given here? HCF and LCM is given. This is a HCF and this is the LCM. 432 is the LCM and HCF is 72. And what is given here? One number is given and you have to find the other number. Okay. So first we will write the formula, that is the product of two numbers. Okay. Two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Now one number is given, that is 216. We have to find the other number. Then here we will write, let the other number be, the other number be x. Okay, then one number is 216, then other number is x, and here HCF is 72, and what is your LCM is 432. Now just solve it, that is x will remain here and this is 72 into 432, and this will go to the right side and it is in a multiplication form, then it will go to the right side and become in the division form, that is 216. Okay, now you have to divide it. Okay, now if you know the cancellation, then you can cancel, otherwise you can find the factor, that is here this 72 and 432 is the LCM of the two numbers. Okay, then we will find the factors of 432. Okay, then here the factor, that is 72 6 are 432. Okay, and now 216, the factors will be 72 into 3. Okay, now see here 72 and 72 will get cancelled, and from here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, then your answer is 72 into 2, that is equals to 144. Therefore your answer, that is the other number. Therefore at the end you have to write the answer, that is the other number is 144. Okay, now see here the next one. Here seventh one, the product of two-digit number. Two-digit number is 765 and HCF is 3. Then you have to find the LCM. You have to apply the same formula. Okay, now here HCF is given and the product of number is given. Okay, and you have to find the LCM. Then we will apply the same formula, that is the product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Now product is given. See here, the product is given, that is 765. Then we will substitute here 765, and HCF is given as 3. Then we will write here 3 into LCM. That is 765 upon 3 is equals to LCM. Now just divide it. 3 ones are 3, and here 3 twos are 6, 1 remaining, it is become 16. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Your answer is 255. Therefore at the end we have to write the answer, that is LCM is equals to 255. Okay, now see the next one, that is the 8th one. In the 8th sum, our traders have 3 bundles of string, that is 392 meter, 308 meter, 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of the string that a bundle can be cut up into without left over a string. Means here there are 3 bundles of the string, in which one bundle having length this 392, second bundle having the length 308, third is 490 meter long. Okay, now you have to divide, means you have to cut in such a way, means threader have to cut in such a way no string will be left. Okay, and you have to cut in a equal length. Okay, for here you have to find the greatest length of string. One thing you keep in your mind, when the word is coming the greatest length, okay, then in that you have to find the HCF or GCD. Okay, then find the HCF and GCD of the given numbers so that you will get your answer. Okay, so let's start with this. Here we will write to find the length of the string, that bundle can be put up into without any left over string. We have to find the SCF. Okay, then first we will find the SCF of this, the 3 numbers. The numbers are 392, 308, 490. 392, 308 and 490. Okay, now see, first we will start with 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, it become 18, then 18, that is 2 nines are 18, 1 is remaining, that is 2 6 are 12. 308 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, 245. Now see here the next one, by which number this all can divide. See, this number is divided by 2, can be divided by 2, this also can be divided by 2, but 245 can't be divided by 2. Okay, then we will move to the next prime number, that is the next prime number is 3 can't be divided by see here 196 can't be divided by 3. Okay, then we will move to the next number, that is 5. Next prime number is 5. 245 can be divided by 5, but these 2 numbers can't be divided by 5. Then we will move to the next prime number, that is 7. Okay, now let's check with the 7. Okay, that is 7 2s are 14, 5 is remaining, then 7 8s are 56. Here also 7 2s are 14, 1 remaining, 7 2s are 14. Okay, now here 7 3s are 21, 3 remaining, 7 5s are 35. Now see here, again these all 3 numbers can't be divided by any other number other than 1. Then this is your HCF. The 7 into 2 is your HCF. Then here you write SCF is equals to 2 into 7, that is equals to 14. Okay, then here at the end you write the answer, that is what you will find here, that is the greatest length of the pieces of string is equals to 14 meter. Then here we will write the greatest length of each piece of string is equals to 14 meter. Okay, Now see here the next sum. Which two consecutive even numbers have the LCM 180? Okay, this is your question. Now here you have to apply the same formula, that is the product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Okay, and the first see here what is given here, two consecutive even numbers. Okay, that means their HCF will be 2. Okay, and this LCM is okay, consecutive two numbers, then HCF will be 2 and LCM is 180. Then apply, that is in the formula, and find the answer. Okay, with this chapter is over. In next video we will start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 4.